Another day, another horrible investment by a celebrity. This time it's Preeti Zinta who bought an apartment for 17 crore rupees in 2023 and just sold it now for 14 crore rupees in 2025. A total loss of 3 crore rupees, and if you take into account the stamp duty, that is another 70 lakh rupees to her losses. So yes, kindly please make a note of this. Do not trust celebrities when it comes to financial or investment advice. They are probably the worst investors ever in the market. Now some people will tell me, oh, this is only white money transaction. This does not take into account the black money part. And I'm sure there would have been some black money component to it as well. But remember, in any locality, there's always fixed or an approximate percentage of white and black money component that goes into the real estate purchase, right? So let's say if in that market 70% money is spent in white and 30% is in the black money, so that same proportion would have been applied when she was buying that property, and that same or more or less same percentage would have applied when she was selling it. So if she made losses in the white money transaction, I'm pretty sure she made almost the same losses in the black money component as well. It can't be that she bought the whole apartment in white money and then she sold the apartment in half black money and half white money. It does not work like that. If a buyer is selling you something in 70% white money and 30% black money, and later if you sell this in the same market, the new buyer will also expect a similar percentage. They'll be like, I'll pay you 70% white and I'll pay you 30% black. So I'm pretty sure Preeti Zinta has made a loss of 3 crore 70 lakh rupees no matter how you look at this situation. So let me know in the comment if you would buy a celebrity endorsed real estate.